Toyota's pre-collision system and stability control represent advanced safety technologies designed to prevent accidents and maintain vehicle control. These systems work together to protect drivers and passengers through automated intervention. The pre-collision system uses forward-facing cameras and radar sensors to continuously monitor the road ahead. These sensors detect potential collision risks with vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists. The radar system creates detection zones around the vehicle, monitoring multiple areas simultaneously to identify potential collision threats at various distances and angles. When a potential collision is detected, the pre-collision system activates in stages. First, it provides audio and visual warnings to alert the driver. If the driver doesn't respond, it applies automatic emergency braking with increasing force. Toyota's stability control systems work alongside PCS to maintain vehicle control. These include vehicle stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, and electronic brake force distribution. Vehicle stability control prevents dangerous skidding by detecting when the vehicle begins to lose traction. It automatically applies brakes to individual wheels and adjusts engine power to maintain the intended path. Modern Toyota vehicles feature Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which enhances the pre-collision system with improved pedestrian and cyclist detection, along with additional safety features like lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. Safety organizations like NHTSA and IIHS are implementing increasing mandates for these systems. This has led to more persistent activation, with some regions requiring pre-collision systems to automatically re-enable after each ignition cycle. These advanced safety systems have proven highly effective. Studies show that pre-collision systems reduce rear-end collisions by 27%, while automatic emergency braking prevents approximately 28% of rear-end crashes overall. Most 2023 and newer Toyota models allow temporary deactivation of the pre-collision system through the vehicle's infotainment system. This is the most accessible method for drivers who need to temporarily disable these safety features. Newer 2024 models have moved some stability control settings to hidden service menus. These can be accessed through specific button combinations on the dashboard, typically involving the trip and odometer reset buttons. For complete system disabling, Toyota TechStream diagnostic software is required. This professional-grade tool is typically only available at authorized Toyota service centers and requires specialized knowledge to operate safely. It's crucial to understand that disabling these safety systems can affect other vehicle functions. Pre-collision system deactivation may impact adaptive cruise control, while stability control changes can affect electronic brake distribution and overall vehicle dynamics. Before making any modifications, consider the warranty implications and safety benefits. Unauthorized modifications may void warranty coverage, while dealer-performed changes typically maintain protection. Most importantly, these systems provide significant safety benefits.